Hey guys, how's it going? This is my 1953 Gossen Tippa. This thing's in really good condition. I'm going to give you a brief type sample, show you all the characters and letters and stuff. The one issue this thing has is the caps lock. When you're writing in caps lock, the letters don't print fully because this needs to be adjusted. But if you're holding it down, like if you're writing normally and you're just capitalizing the first letter of a sentence or something, or names or whatever, everything prints good. It's just when you caps lock it, it kind of drops back down just a hair, and so I'll show you what I mean when I give you a type sample. But this thing is in really good condition. It's still got this little pop out organizer thing on the case here, this guy, and overall pretty good condition. A few nicks right here. I'm trying to get them in good light, but I can't really see. Anyways, button clasp still works, and smooth typing, and so yeah, give you a type sample, and that's pretty much it. You can see it rolls paper in really easily. And again, I'll give you a mix of the uppercase, lowercase, and all that. It's got this kind of unique return lever right here. It's it rolls this way, and I'll give you a close-up shot right now. I'm going to give you the caps lock uppercase, and you'll see that everything doesn't quite print right, but then I'll show you after, when you're just holding it down manually, you can write fine with it. And this has a a German keyboard with the Z and the Y swapped, but it's really not even that big a deal. You get used to it really quickly. But okay, now I'll give you I'm going to pull this out. Actually, let me give you the numbers and letters first. And I'll show you this type sample right here. So that's it, and you can see that second line, that's where I had caps lock on, but the third line, the fourth, and the third line, I guess the fifth line, both of those I was just holding down the shift key manually, and you can see all the uppercase letters and all the figure keys, they all print clearly. It's a very clean imprint, but again, the caps lock, You can see the top half on this second line right here. That's the caps lock, and it's not printing all the way. But other than that, this thing has a nice imprint, and that's the ribbon that came with it. It's a dual colored ribbon in the machine. I don't know why, because I don't think there's a ribbon selector. But other than that, that's the bell. Pretty faint, but still has this paper support, which folds right down. These are ribbon covers right here. Comes with the original metal spools. They say something, I think, I don't know if that's a G or an S, Geha, but they're the original metal ones. Obviously they're the right fit, and yeah, this thing's in good condition. Those are the keys. There are a few scuffs here on this side, and then over here as well, and then across the front a little bit right here. I'll try to show it in the pictures as best I can, but otherwise really clean. There's the little Gossen emblem on the back. Just a clean machine, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or leave a comment or whatever. This thing also has a variable line spacing, which is right here. You can see these those dots, and you just move this double, triple, and then it also has a carriage lock, which is pretty nice, and it's this guy. You just press it that way. When you have this, facing you, it'll be down, and then you just slide this over, and that locks it in place. And so yeah, this is a 1953 Gossen Tippa, and there's the case. And like I said, overall, pretty good condition. Those are the nicks I was trying to get, and this is the handle. Some scuffs in there, but like I said, this snap still works, and still have all the little compartments for whatever. And yeah, just overall really clean. This thing still closes very securely. I'll try to show you guys that real quick. Hang on. So just put this back here. And just like that, that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a good one.